Samsung is getting ready to unveil another exciting smartphone, and this time, all eyes are on the much anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge. Reports suggest that this ultra slim premium device could launch in India as early as April 2025, with a global rollout expected around the same time. With its advanced features and sleek design, this could be one of the most awaited smartphone releases of the year. Earlier this year, Samsung introduced the Galaxy S25 series, but rumors about another high-end model, the Galaxy S25 Edge, have been circulating for months. Now, as April approaches, more details are surfacing. According to tech analyst Abe Ishagirov, the device will debut in India first, a key market for Samsung, before expanding to other regions. One of the most exciting aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its design. Although Samsung hasn't officially revealed the exact dimensions, leaks suggest that it could be one of the thinnest flagship smartphones ever. The display size is expected to match the Galaxy S25 Plus, but with a much slimmer profile. Reports indicate that Samsung may use premium materials such as a titanium frame for added durability and a ceramic back for a more refined look. The display is also expected to be a major highlight. Rumors point to a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with QHD plus resolution, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. With a 120Hz refresh rate, users can expect smooth scrolling and an excellent gaming experience. Additionally, the screen might reach a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone displays available. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, the same chipset used in other S25 series models. This ensures top-tier performance, whether for gaming, multitasking, or AI-driven features. The device is likely to come with at least 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, offering plenty of space for apps, media, and files. For photography lovers, this smartphone could be a game changer. It is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, allowing users to capture highly detailed and sharp images. Additionally, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera could be included for capturing wider shots, while the front camera is expected to be a 12-megapixel sensor with autofocus for clear and high-quality selfies. On the software side, the phone will likely ship with One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Samsung has also promised long-term software support, offering 7 major Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches, ensuring users will receive updates and security improvements for a long time. Battery life is another key factor, and the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to come with a 4,000 mAh battery. While this may seem smaller compared to some competitors, Samsung's software optimizations and the energy-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset should help maximize battery life. The device is also expected to support 25-watt fast charging, making it easier to recharge quickly. Other notable features could include an in-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking, an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers for an improved audio experience. Connectivity options should include 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. With its premium design, powerful performance, and extended software support, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship devices of the year. As the official launch nears, more details are likely to emerge. Would you be interested in this smartphone? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech news.